Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Nazri bin Ma'alim, my matric number 2010942. Today, our group will present about Marina Bay Sands. Okay, for the introduction, Marina Bay Sands is an integrated resort facing Marina Bay in Singapore. The venue was developed by Las Vegas Sands and is said to be one of the most expensive safe casino-style properties in the world, with a value $8 billion. Including land redemption costs, Marina Bay Sands is one of two project proposals for tourist attraction to Singapore. Okay, next, the main purpose of this construction project is Marina Bay Sands set to become a premier entertainment destination with its vibrant diversity of attraction and facilities. The vision is to build an integrated development that is timeless, a landmark that possesses a distinct identity which will distinguish Singapore from other cities. Okay, in addition, the construction of the Marina Bay Sands also aims to create employment opportunities for the surrounding community. The construction of Marina Bay Sands, which are focused on the entertainment sector, has attracted many tourists from within and outside the country. Tourism is one of the industries that requires a lot of manpower, such as hotel workers, tour guides, souvenir shop worker, and handicraft shop worker. Okay, the encouraging development of the tourism industry in Singapore has increased the demand for trained and experienced manpower in the industry, and the management and supervisory levels, and the skilled and semi-skilled workers.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Nona Sahabati Zakri, matric number 270867. Today I would like to present about contractor and a client. For the contractor, Senyon Engineering and Construction was the main contractor for the resort's construction. Marina Bay Sands is an integrated resort. Senyon Engineering and Construction is a leading international construction company. Senyon dedicated Marina Bay Sands Hotel in Singapore. Senyon Engineering and Construction, one of the major builders in Korea, has completed the Marina Bay Sands Hotel that has changed skyline of Singapore, imagined as a new urban icon. In early stage of the construction, expect here and abroad projected that the construction will take around 4 years. However, Senyon managed to successfully finish the work in 27 months to show off their technological edge across the world. According to the Senyon official, their company has received special offers from other construction research institutes because it has many experiences about high-tech construction projects such as Marina Bay Sands hotels, and their high-tech construction skill and know-how on safety on construction site will help enhance the competitiveness of Korean technology. For the client, Marina Bay Sands Las Vegas Sands, the company has entered into a development agreement with the Singapore government and said we will quickly begin working on the new project. Located immediately adjacent to the existing Marina Bay Sands Integrated Resort IR, the key element of the development will be a state-of-the-art 50,000 seat area, a luxury hotel tower, and additional MICE meeting, incentive, convention, and exhibition space.
My name is Leok Peng. My matric number is 2700817. Now I will present about the architect and engineer of the Marina Sands Bay. Moses Septi is the architect of the Marina Sands Bay, Singapore. Now I will explain about his duty during the planning and design phase and the construction phase. In the planning and design phase, he need to verify that it was complete in accordance with the architect design and specification and was accepted by the owner and contractor. He also responsible for inspecting and completing the construction process to plan a supervise the construction project which is complete under the control of the architect. Next, in the construction phase, he need to lead the remainder of the design team in complete the client's requirement design. He also define the client's need, conduct site studies, determine the preferred solution, create the design, provide the room data sheet, and provide the material selection guidance. Arup is the structural engineering in the Marina Sands Bay, Singapore. Arup is a British multinational professional service firm headquartered in London, which is provide design, engineering, architectural, planning, and advisory service across every aspect of the built environment. In this project, I wrote in charge of the advanced work, infrastructure, architecture, civil, fire, and the infrastructure project, architecture, physics, marine engineering, traffic, artificial light, phage, and the acoustic calculating and the risk mitigation. I will pass the next part to Hitayu.
Next is Surveillance. Marina Bay Sands is 929,000 square meters, which is 10 million square foot, integrated resort project in Singapore. In addition, the 120 square meter convention center features a retail mall, an art and science museum, 6 restaurants, 2 theatres, and a casino. Totaling is 1,292,000 square feet. The Sands Sky Park is longer, which is 12,400 square meters, and the Sands Sky Park is a home to the world's largest swimming pool, which is 150 meters long, will hold 376 gallons of water, that almost 1.5 million liters. The Southern Crystal Pavilion foundation is deepest at 62 meters from the surface of water, while the Northern Crystal Pavilion is about 14.8 meters below the surface of Marina Bay. Next, 971 double-glass panel units were installed in the Northern Crystal Pavilion, while 532 panels were used in the Southern Crystal Pavilion. Last but not least, the connecting of Southern and Northern Pavilion to the main Marina Bay Sands building are over 30 meters long, which is 5.2 meters of steel were used to construct of Art Science Museum, and 12.500 square meters of glass fiber reinforced polymer, which is GFRP. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atifah binti Manasir, number matric 270891, and I will present about design process. The design plan was designed by Mohsin Sedi, and the architecture was inspired by 3 towers resulting from 55 glass independent features produced by the main planning of the project. So the design process of tower, the beginning of the design process to measure the amount of displacement and express the increased stresses inside each tower in each scenario. So additional studies show that by introducing press tracing on vertical and inclined cut wall, the resulting movement and stress can be further reduced. Okay, next, design process of Sky Park. On the framing process was considered for Sky Park at the beginning of the design process. Sky Park with a length of 340 meters, a width of 40, and a cantilever of 64.92 meters, and then at a higher of 198.11 meters above ground level. So the bridge right above each tower support structure that extend from the hotel roof directly through the reinforced concrete walls. So the design team, together with a manufacturer and installer, focus on post-tensioner post graded system which they 10 meters long and 3.6 meters wide as the main structure system for the process cantilever, and the main bridge system which they trusses for the elongation process between hotel tower.
Okay, hello to my all friends and especially to my lecturer, Dr. Wan Nazri. So my name is Muhammad Aiman Shazwan bin Risham. In this part, I want to talk about the planning and construction of the marina in Singapore. Okay, the first I want to talk about the start of the building. Start of the building is 1969. Land acquisition worked on an area of around 316 hectares. Near the cost was complete start of the autonomous project, Marina Center and Marina South Station, which were finished in 1992. Okay. And the other buildings in the marina is first as hotel, sky park, shops, conversation center, and science arts museum. So many the other buildings in the marina. Okay. Secondly, I want to talk about the vision and mission of the Marina Bay project. Okay. The main goal of this project management is to take use of the area's strategic location by the sea and turn it into international landmark of Singapore to serve as the community's local point. The area for Marina Bay's buildings primarily to boost tourism industry.
Okay, for the conclusion, the construction of Marina Bay Sands is a development of the entertainment and tourism industry in Singapore. The strategic location selection also provides an opportunity for the project Marina Bay Sands to continue to grow and attract investors and tourists to visit to Singapore. The construction of Marina Bay Sands is also seen to have successfully achieved its vision and mission with the cooperation of all parties. I think that's all from our group. Thank you.